Ever asked an AI a simple question and got a confusing answer? Yep, we've all been there. The secret sauce? Crafting the perfect prompt. Welcome to our series, Prompt School, where we turn your words into AI magic. Any improvement to your prompting skills will raise your game on any AI platform. From boosting productivity to unlocking creative ideas, your prompting skills are about to skyrocket. Ready to raise your AI game? Let's dive in. Okay, first things first, we're going to talk about what is prompting. And it starts like this. When we're talking to other people, we always assume that they have prior experience and context with what we're talking to them about, because of course they do, especially in the workplace. But then think about a completely new employee. They might be very keen to get the job done, but as soon as they come into the office, they do not have the prior experience and the context. We have to give them special instructions. Without the experience, our new starter needs clearer instructions, context, examples, perhaps the audience that they are producing the work for. If we don't give them those things, they lack the experience and knowledge to do it. AI tools are exactly the same as that. AI needs clear instructions, context, and examples to create good results. And if you up your prompting game to provide those things, you are going to get better and better results. It's going to take practice, but you and me are going to go there together. Give clear and precise instructions. Provide context and examples as mentioned. These examples, they might be quoted text in your prompt. They may be documents that you upload or websites that you refer to, and then specify an audience who is going to be reviewing the work product that you're creating. And if you want a particular format, ask for the format. You want a 10-point bulleted list, you want it as a table, ask for that. The more you do this, the less frustrated you're going to be, because you are going to get better accuracy and better relevance. Put in the simple facts of what you want to achieve, but be conversational. It's not like you put in a single piece of text, get a result, and that's the end of it. You can ask for changes, and that conversation may go through several iterations. Learn from trial and error. Not everything that you want to achieve can be achieved in the same way. Not every task which you want to achieve is going to work out for you. Sometimes you will push yourself away from your machine in frustration at the lack of results you got from these tools. Sometimes you will gently push yourself away from the desk and you will need a quiet moment to say, wow, I can't believe this was able to come up with something so clever so quickly. And what we are going to do together is experiment with different prompting patterns, because different prompting patterns can help you solve different kinds of solutions. And if you remember nothing else from this intro, just remember that if you don't know how to prompt for a task, explain your objective and ask the AI to help you to create a prompt, and you will get surprising results from that. Okay, so every one of these is going to have some real-world examples, so you really know what this is about. Today, I am going to use Microsoft Copilot as my example platform. This is free to use for everybody. You can go to copilot.microsoft.com. They have other links to it too. Well, have a search for it, but that should certainly work. Now, if I come along here, I can do simple quotes like, write me some text about energy efficiency. And if I fire this up, I will get some text about energy efficiency. But I was pretty vague and it may not meet my requirements. But as a little example of where we're going with our videos, let us pep up our prompt a little bit. Say, act as an engaging blogger, so I'm giving it a persona. Write me a 500-word blog post, I'm giving it more the format and the requirements. Energy efficiency measures for a home in Texas for a non-financial audience, being much more specific, and I have my audience. Include tabular data showing cost and benefit figures and payback time, and use this website for inspiration. And if we fire this one up, we should get much richer results, much closer to what we need. We're that much closer to achieving our goals Although, of course, I still have to double check the facts in here because AI can be wrong. However, it has certainly saved me a bunch of time. Do you think you can prompt like this? You definitely can. Stick with me for the next one.